how to find free cancellation stays on Airbnb. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process in order to do so without scrolling forever in the application. So let's just dive right into the video. We can start by opening up the Airbnb app, or you can even go to the Airbnb website on your laptop or your PC. After that, we can search for our destination. We can just head over and tap on search, and we can search for our destination here, what destination it is, and add dates and guest. After that, just go over and tap on search, and it will show you the results that you may be looking for. And for example, let's say these are some of them. So you can just go over and head over to the result that you find and scroll through the booking option. We can just go over and we can just go over and tap on this option called resolve usually. After that, here we can look out for it. We can just go and tap on continue with the process and look out for the free cancellation option. Usually, sometimes in the experience itself, when you head over to the hotel or the resort that you're looking for, usually right below the price mentioned, you can see in the bottom left corner of my screen right there, a free cancellation option. So you can just go over and look out for it. And when you tap on it, you can see it says free cancellation before a certain date. You can just go over and check it out. You can even turn it on, and after that you can reserve it. You can tap on reserve and show stays, and now you will only see places you can cancel for free. You can just go over and follow that method. You can manually go ahead and look out for it like this, or otherwise once we search for it, we can look out for the filter option in the top right. And once we've tapped on it, we can scroll down, look out for the section called booking options, and there also we can find an option called free cancellation. We can tap on it and turn it on, and tap on show, and now we'll only see places that we can cancel for free. We can just go over and follow this method. And even after filtering, if you do not find it, as I said earlier, you can just go and check it out manually as well, because sometimes the long free cancellation lasts for 24 hours, some up to 13 days. Date, you can just go over and check it out. And that's it, everybody. You can follow this method to check out the free cancellation stays on Airbnb. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.